This stunning red bag here is the vintage Coach convertible clutch, style number 9635. And this bag was made in the original New York City factory, likely sometime in the 80s. So this is a somewhat versatile bag because you can actually wear it as a shoulder bag. So the strap here attaches to the sides of the bag, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag, or you could just carry it as a clutch. So you got those two options. It can kind of go from daytime as a shoulder bag to evening as a clutch. So you got those two options. And this is also a nice, kind of a little bit more on the medium to larger size bag, I would say, but it's not like huge, so it wouldn't be probably super heavy when you carry it. So it's kind of a nice option if you want to carry a little bit more than the essentials without it being super heavy. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So as you can see, here's the front of the bag. It's got a turn lock closure. And here's what the sides look like. It's kind of got this nice inverted seam right here along the bottom of the bag, which is a cool stylistic element. And then here's the back. As you can see, there's no back pocket on this style of bag. It's just a straight across seam. And then I'll show you, it also comes with the matching hang tag. And this is the older style of Coach hang tag, where it's kind of got this suede texture on the back. And it's got the Coach cartouche on the front. And as you can see, this bag is in really nice condition, which is always exciting to find. And then when we open it, it's got a slip pocket here in the front. And then take the tissue paper out, then this is what the interior looks like. And as you can see, it's got a zip pocket here along the back of the bag, so you could keep some items separate in here. And then of course it's got the Coach Creed right there that you can see. Here's a close-up photo as well, just to make it easier to see. So that's the vintage Coach convertible clutch in this beautiful red color. And she's still available in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check her out. I will include the Etsy link below. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this bag. I'll see you next time.